Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dino Island Park, and we are here with new video. And today we have king of sea animal shark and big desert camel, along with safari animals, farm animals and wild animals. So let's start the video. Our first animal is wolf. They can reach speeds of up to 38 miles per hour when sprinting. Wolves can live for up to 13 years in the wild and 16 years in captivity. Second animal is cow. Cows have been domesticated for thousands of years. Cows have stomachs with 4 chambers that help them digest their food. And the next animal is giraffe. Herbivores, giraffes only eat plants. Their favorite grub is the acacia tree, and they use their long necks to reach the leaves and birds in the tree tops. And the next animal is walrus. There are 2 main subspecies of walrus. A male walrus can weigh over a ton. Both male and female walruses have tusks. Next animal is sheep. Woolly sheep began to be developed and bred around 6000 BC and were traded throughout Africa and Europe. And next animal is goat. They are one of the cleanliest animals and are much more selective feeders than cows, sheep, pigs, swine and even dogs. And the next animal is rhinoceros. These brilliant beasts are known for their awesome giant horns that grow from their snouts. Hence the name rhinoceros, meaning nose horn. Next animal is zebra. Grand zebras live on the African savanna. White colored stripes can be 18 degrees cooler than their dark counterparts. And next animal is camel. Camels store water in their blood. Camels are born without humps. Camels can live to 50 years and camels are very fast. Next animal is seal. A seal's body is round in the middle and narrower at the ends. The skin is usually brown, grey or black. And the next animal is pteranodon. The pteranodon was a flying reptile or pterosaur which flew over the earth about 85 to 75 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period. And next animal is horse. Horses can't breathe through their mouth. Horses have lightning fast reflexes. Horses have excellent hearing. The next animal is lion. Male lions can weigh 30 stone. The magnificent males on male lions tell a story. Lion cubs are reared together. And next animal is elephant. The elephant's temporal lobe, the area of the brain associated with memory, is larger and denser than that of people. Hence the saying, elephants never forget. And the next animal is tiger. Tigers live far apart from each other. A tiger knows if it is in an other tiger's territory based on the trees around him. And the second last animal is camel. The most expensive camel was sold for $53 million. There are two types of camel. Camel milk is incredibly nutritious. And our last animal is shark. There are over 500 species of shark. Sharks are apex predators. They can vary dramatically in size.